today I have a very exciting video to share with you. I'm gonna be doing a try-on haul. Well, the last time I did a haul was like 2 years ago. It's either 2 years or a year ago, but I can't remember. But today I want to do a Taobao try-on haul. I recently shopped quite a lot at Taobao and I love to shop there, so I guess like why not I share with you guys what I got. And personally, this purchase is like it revolves around Korean inspired fashion trends, or generally just fashion trends. I decided to get some of these like trendy items on Taobao for the fraction of price what I can get at physical stores. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned to the video. Alright, so first off, I'm going to be starting with some clothing items. The clothing item that I got is this checkered or plaid. I think it's plaid or check. I'm confused, but either of those, I've seen them around. Like the plaid pattern is really in these days, so I decided to get this one. To be honest, this design reminds me of a picnic mat, but I think it is cute. I am the picnic. Anyway, so yeah, so basically this is the first item that I got. It's basically just like a blouse and it has like this waist cinch here at the waist, and it's quite cute. I really like it, plus I really like the hand detailing. Alright, the next item is another checkered print. It's almost similar to what I'm wearing right now. So basically it is this it is actually a set, a blazer and shorts set. Obviously I'm gonna wear these shorts when I go to bed, and this was quite cheap. Like legit, it was, sorry, that was my cat. I think for this set it cost me around 40 RMB, which is, I think it was like 20 ringgit something. So murah nak mampus, and the quality of this is legit. It's not bad. I was expecting it to be really like thin, but it's actually quite, like, how to say, the material is quite nice. You can wear this during like the hot weather, or maybe layer it up with like some ribbed turtleneck top if you want to wear it for the colder days. But yeah, I'm quite satisfied with this purchase, and I like how the checkered pattern are not like too big. I don't like that. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Okay, so next I have another clothing item, and again, guess what? It's plaits. But this time it is a pair of pants. I feel like pants for me in general are like so hard to find at Taobao my size, because the sizes in Taobao tend to run like a size smaller than the like normal sized clothing. So I got this plaid pants. I'm so excited. It totally gives off like the coolest vibes, so I'm really happy with this purchase. It is basically like a straight leg cut, macam pajamas. My mom calls this like pajamas pants, but I feel like I can definitely wear it outside. The material also doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels quite good, and this was also quite at affordable price. They had one in like the very basic plaid color. I wanted to get that, but this mustard color was just calling me, so I had to get this one. So yeah, it looks like this. Then I got this white t-shirt. So it is very oversized, which I really like and appreciate. And the design in front here basically is like this girl, like faceless girl, and then like this Chinese wording that says 好看, which means good looking, pretty, I guess. So this t-shirt is like tooting my own horn, but you know, sometimes you gotta do that. Surprisingly, the material is not bad. Doesn't feel cheap at all. It just feels really nice on my body. So yeah, I kind of like this. Alright, so the next item I got is an innerwear. It's not really an innerwear. I can wear it as a regular blouse on its own, but I feel like the reason I bought this because I wanted to layer it with a t-shirt and stuff. So basically it looks like this. It is like a turtleneck top, but the material is see-through, so I definitely have to wear another layer of innerwear inside. It looks like this, and it is like a very spongy, stretchy material. And yeah, I just like it. And the reason that I bought this is because I wanted to layer with like a short sleeve t-shirt outside, so it will look really cute instead of just me using like the normal innerwear. So yeah, and this one fits me perfectly. I bought this in the size XXL. I'll show you guys. I'm definitely an XXL or more if I'm shopping at Taobao. But yeah, this fits me really well. It is not too tight. It just fits me like a glove. So the next clothing item I have is basically like this white blouse. The main reason I bought this blouse is because of the buttons. I particularly like the buttons because the buttons are really big, and the sleeves here also have these big buttons, and they look really cute on the model. But after I tried this on, I wasn't feeling it, to be honest. It doesn't look as flattering on me as it looked on the model. And at the back it has like this, basically like a drawstring. Can you guys see? It's basically like a drawstring rope here. So basically I can like adjust how tight or how loose I want the fit to be. But yeah, I mean, I'm a bit disappointed with this. Plus the material isn't really that nice to wear. It's gonna be really hot for me to wear this in Malaysia, to be honest. But yeah. Okay, so the last clothing item I got is a Midi blue dress. Oh my god, I really like this. So it basically looks like this. Let me show you guys. The material is a very soft chiffon, I would say. It is the type of chiffon material that is not hot at all. In the website, the model wore it until like their ankle length, but I feel like I'm a bit taller, and plus, like I mentioned before, Taobao, the sizes are really not accurate and they tend to run a size smaller. So this the dress actually stops at just right above my knee, I think. So I had to wear like a pair of pants to go with it. So next, I also purchased some sunglasses, and there are these two sunglasses. They're really hot right now. Basically they look like this. One, it is a cat eye, and another one, it just looks like this. So yep, and these are also really cheap. I got these two each for like around 7 ringgit je, excluding the shipping lah, but they're really cheap. So it looks like this.
How you do it?
I feel like I look like a meme every time I wear these glasses. I don't know, it just reminds me of memes instead of me looking cute. I'll look like a meme, sis. Okay, that's that. So next, I want to show you guys a pair of shoes. These are actually my favorite item from this Taobao purchase. So these are basically chunky, what do you call that? Chunky dad ugly sneakers. Like they're basically ugly dad sneakers slash chunky trainers, if you can call that. So these are the one that I got from Taobao, and I'm really satisfied with this purchase. So basically I wanted to get the Fila Disruptor one, but I was like too broke. Plus I wasn't really sure whether I would wear it as much often as I thought I would, because you know, sometimes you think that one like, you know, because sometimes when you want that one item but you ended up not like liking it so much. So I decided just to get these one on Taobao as a trial to see whether I like it. And guess what, you guys are not gonna believe this. I got these pair of sneakers for only 30 plus ringgit, and that's like so cheap, legit cheap. And the quality is hella good. Like, I'm not complaining, sis. Like I bought this in the size 40, but it's a bit longer lah. But I feel like it could work if I wore like thicker socks, or I could just install some insoles in here. But yeah, I'm really happy with the purchase. It looks super cute. Yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. I think if this breakdown pun, I takkan marah sangat because it's only for 30 ringgit. So yeah, that's that. Next, I want to show you guys this bag that I got. It is basically a waist bag, and it looks like this. It is actually quite big compared to the picture on the website, in my opinion. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but basically it looks like this. It is a white one. They had like this one gorgeous purple. It's like a great purple color, but I was like, I wanted to get that so much, like so badly, but then I was scared that it's not gonna match. It's gonna be hard to match like with my outfits and stuff. So I just decided to settle with this white color. It looks like this, and behind there's a zipper which I can insert like all of my, you know, coins and stuff. I really like to bring, like when I go out, I like to bring only small bags. I'm not the type of person to bring handbags and stuff. But then the cons of these is like you can't put that much stuff, so I can only put like a really limited amount. Thank God my phone fits into this. I would be really sad if it didn't. And yep, and then here, this is like the strap. So the strap is adjustable. I can adjust how, like it's basically like a belt lah. Macam I can adjust how short I want it to be, how long I want it to be, and I can wear it like two ways, either at my waist area or you know like on my chest area like that. Okay, the next item that I got, it is it is this handheld transparent bag. I love this so much. It is so beautiful. I feel like since it is transparent, it goes so well with any outfits, but particularly I feel like this goes well with any like very feminine-ish outfits if I'm trying to wear. So yeah, I wore this and I got so many compliments and people asking me where I get this bag, and it's so pretty, and this is also quite affordable. I think I only got it for around 40 plus RMB. I'm not sure. I'll link everything down the description box down below. Y'all don't worry. Last but not least, I think this is like the end of what I got. So next off, it is this another bag. Shocking, hahaha. So yeah, I bought a bucket bag. To be honest, let me tell you guys, I was not a big fan of bucket bags until I saw the drama The Great Seducer. Joy from Red Velvet was in the drama, and I really like how she styled her bucket bag to class. So I decided to get myself one after being inspired from her look. I originally got it in red, like a wine color, but the seller said that they had like some defects with the color, like the wine color, so they replaced it with this black color instead, and I'm not mad. I mean, I guess it's still easy to style. It's much more easier, to be honest. Thought that it was gonna be much more like larger, but instead it's actually just quite small, so I don't think I'm gonna be using this for college. I originally, however, I did buy it for college. One thing I don't quite like about this bag is because of the like buckle opening, the way you open this bag, because you have to like click this and open this. Oh, it's so hard for me to show you guys on camera. Okay, I managed to open it. Yeah, so basically it doesn't have a zip, but it uses this like gold ring to fasten the bag instead. And inside the bag, the materials inside the bag is like a velvety sweet material. And then they also gave me this strap here, which I'm not quite sure what to do with it, but if I'm not mistaken, inside the website it looks like I could do it like another type of like style, something like this, if I'm not mistaken, if I want to like handheld it. Alright, so that is all for my Taobao try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions regarding like Taobao, how do I shop there, you know, how do I navigate my way through the website, etc, shipping and stuff, I've already linked some of like my couple of helpful articles or videos in the description bar down below, so make sure you guys to check that, to check those like links and videos if you guys want to shop at Taobao. And yeah, I guess that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard. For love to end